Hi guys, thanks for checking out our video and welcome back to our series all about the Wix Shared Gallery. Today, we are going to be customizing our shared gallery's text and design. Each website has its own theme, and of course, we'd like our shared gallery to match our theme. So how do we edit its text and design? Follow along and we'll walk you through it. First, we need to go to that page here on our editor. So to do that, go to the Pages and Menu button. Under Site Menu, look for Shared Gallery and click on it. And here we are. Now click on your Shared Gallery app and click on Settings. And this small window will appear. Now go to Text. What's the page title? Input your page title over here. You can also enable or disable your page description by toggling this button on or off according to your preference. All right, now let's talk about design. So let's click on the design button here. And here we can see four things we can work on, namely our header and background, albums, photos, and the expand mode. So let's talk about them one by one, starting with the first, header and background. So this is where you can change the size, the font, and even the color of your page title, page description, sort by text, main button text, main button color, secondary button text, as well as the button corner radius. Now you don't have to change everything here, but if that's what you prefer, then go ahead and tweak these out. Let's try the page title. I think I'm quite happy with it, but we're going to try to edit it. So as for the fonts, perhaps I'd like to change it to something else. Let's try this one. And let's see if it's going to change here. Okay, it did. I think that's all right. So yeah, as for the font size, I think I'm okay with it. And I don't need to add any of these extra effects, so I'm cool with that. For the page description, you can also do the same thing. So I'm going to choose another font just for demonstration purposes. Let's see if it changes. Okay, there we go. And as for the font size, I'm okay with it as well. For the font color, I'm also okay with it, but in case you want to change the color, just click on the color here and select another color that you like. Maybe we could change the color of our page title for demonstration purposes as well. Okay, there we go. Now I don't need to change the others here, I think. So perhaps we should go back. Now let's go to albums. And here you can also edit the texts and paragraphs as well as the alignment and color of some of the elements inside this album over here. And for the album color, perhaps I'd like to change it to something else. Oh, there it is. And perhaps I'd like to change its font to something more bold. There we go. I think that's much better. So go ahead and tweak these things out according to your preferences. Let's go back and let's talk about photos. So for the photos here, you have the option to change the font as well as the color of your member name style of your member name. You can also select your social icon color. You can also select your gradient overlay color, that gradient that you see here at the bottom. You can also change your border color, border width, and border corner radius. In my case, I think I'm okay with how it looks like right now, so I don't need to change anything, but go ahead and tweak these out however you like to. And then we have the expand mode. So the expand mode is where you can change your member name style and color as well as the font, text style and color, button and link style and color, icon color, and background color. So go ahead and tweak these out. I think I don't need to, so I'm just going to go back here. Once you're done, you can simply close this window over here and click on the Save button to make sure that your changes will be saved. If you wish to preview the changes you've made, click on the Preview button here, and you'll enter your website's preview mode. And here we are. So this is the preview of our Wix shared gallery. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!